Welcome to our tutorial on how to switch cameras in a video call on Gmail. With the latest update, Gmail has made it easier than ever to switch between your front and back cameras during a video call. Let's go through the steps together. First, open Gmail on your Android device. Once you're in, tap the chat icon located at the bottom of the screen. This will take you to your chat list, where you can choose the person you want to start a video call with. Next, open the chat with the person you want to call. Once you're in the chat, look for the video icon at the top right corner of the screen. Tap on it to start a video call with the person. Now that you're in the video call, you can easily switch between your front and back cameras. To do this, simply tap on the switch icon at the top right corner of the screen. This will toggle between your front and back cameras, allowing you to choose the best angle for your video call. And there you have it. With just a few simple steps, you can easily switch cameras in a video call on Gmail. Whether you're looking to show off your surroundings or just want a different perspective, switching cameras is now easier than ever. Thank you for watching and happy video calling.